This video we are going to replace this digitizer. It's not touching or anything like that, so there's nothing that we can do. We are going to replace it. I'm going to show you how. Even if we want to power off the device, we can't. I am going to go ahead and I am going to open the tablet. You want to remove this screw right here. You can see where the battery is attached. This is the ribbon here for the digitizer. We are going to heat the edges around to take off the digitizer. So what we're gonna do, we're going to shut down the tablet. We are going to test the new digitizer. So guys, what we're going to do, we are just going to go ahead and install the digitizer. We just run a test and everything is working functional. So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to install this. So as you can see, we have adhesive tape. double-sided tape, so we gotta remove the out. And we can go ahead and stick and all we have to do here is to reconnect back the ribbon for the touch right here. And then what we gotta do, we have to put back on the back cover. So you want to start doing so by doing the button areas, ensure that everything is proper position. There's a screw that we have to put back in here. Do like, share and subscribe.